Hey guys, I'll be playing Monkey City. I hate waiting, downloading latest. Go. People might back here. They broke our whole fence. JK, just kidding. Okay, I'll just leave it here and just watch TV and say nothing to you guys. Okay, you hear me? I don't think so. Yeah, because I'm so far. I'm far. No, I'm not. Go faster, go faster, go faster, go faster. I'm making a video and I gotta go faster. Gotta go faster. Finally, Stampy long nose. Nobody in Washington in my family who like Dentium. Cause I don't I hate his Pokemon Go videos, like so boring. The first video he made of the Pokemon Go, I was so bored. I just dislike all of his Pokemon Go videos. So boring. Let's blast some people. The music though. Stop with the clapping. If I got the snipers, everything's gonna go well. Especially with the monkey and friends. I don't know. If I got the sniper monkey, everything's gonna go well. Everything. Okay, I'm gonna get one right now. If you kill a blue balloon in one shot. Damn. I got all the credit in my card. Totally rhymes. I think so. I just heard a boom. Yeah. I need more. I need more. I need more. Go check out here. I grab a 3 or something. Oh yeah. I can totally lose. Oh. Ooh. I see. In my other video of it, I was trying to battle it, but I failed. I made two videos of it, and I failed. And I might win this one, but if I look. If I have rough slang, why I feel like weird noises? Finally round. I need a push.
Saya tak lagi lah,